Alan Ochanda, KTN.
Now, at least 300 girls have been rescued from female genital mutilation as their parents were preparing them to undergo the cut in Kuria West, Migori County. 10 parents, along with one suspected female cutter, were arrested and are helping with investigations. Ali Manzu with a report.
KTN conducted investigation for a period of 1 month in Kuria area in Migori County and find out that cases of female genital mutilations were still ongoing. These videos captured by our hidden cameraman show some girls being taken to the house ready to be circumcised under the supervision of parents and other women supporting the acts. According to reports, more than 300 girls have been rescued by security forces in the past 1 month in Migori County.
So far, we have rescued 307 girls who are at risk of being cut. Wengine tumewatoa kwa mikono ya wakeketaji, wakiwa tayari hata wametolewa nguo, wakiwa wanapangiwa kukeketwa.
The road from Migori to Kehancha and Taranganya was full of girls who were escorted to places of circumcision, dressed in traditional attires. The region's children's officer describes the situation as dangerous and calls for government to assist in the usage of anti-FGM law effectively.
This cut has been done in a massive way. And the reason why it has been massive is because there was a misconception that the president said that people should practice their culture.
Call upon the Anti-FGM board to strengthen the Anti-FGM Act of 2011 because it has a lot of loopholes that gives opportunity for this act to be conducted. So when it has been strengthened, it will make it will bring in some more focus that it will lead people to at least step back when they want to take a female.
Organizations defending the rights of the girl child in Migori County have asked the government to help them in the fight against female genital mutilation, as sometimes it becomes dangerous for them to tackle.
Kuna watoto wengi sahi 129 watoto 129 sio watoto wachache, ni watoto wengi sana na wako huku. Pia tumepungukiwa na maplangeti na mattress, sababu kiangalia wakati huu ni wakati wa mvua, baridi iko. Tunaomba msaada kwa sababu kama sasa hivi la watoto wanakuja, serikali inaleta watoto, lakini hatujaiona chakula yoyote kutoka kwa government.
Following the steps taken, a suspect circumciser was arrested by the police and charged with circumcising a 13-year-old girl in Taburo village, Migori County.
Tumefaulu kushika wazazi 10 parents ambao wali facilitate ukeketaji wa wasichana wao, na hao tayari wamepelekwa kotini.
The suspect is expected back to court this month for trial. Ali Manzu, KTN, Nairobi.
Thank you, Ali, for that.